This video is to show you how to use VLC to convert a video file to a simple MP3. So to start with, I'm going to go up to Media and down to Convert Save. Here you need to select the video file that you wish to transcode, and so I've already selected it here. Then you can just click on Convert Save. What you need to do is be sure to change the profile to the appropriate type of file that you want. In this case, an MP3, because we just want the audio. We do have to select a destination. So I'll click Browse, and I'll put it in the same folder, but I will rename it with an MP3 file extension. And maybe I will call this audio instead. And I'll click Save, and then Start. And you'll see that down below the bar had been running. The transcoding is already finished, and I'll open up the Windows File Explorer to that location, and I can see that now there's an MP3 file right here in the same location with the file name I gave it. That's it. Thanks for watching.